The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manti, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
Canada is officially looking for defense manufacturing partners to help it significantly expand its submarine fleet as the country looks to secure future shipping routes. Canada's Department of National Defense said it's in the market for up to 12 submarines, an order that would potentially quadruple the country's current fleet of 4. The ministry said that the current fleet of submersibles is getting outdated and costly to maintain, so it wants a new conventionally powered submarine that can travel under the ice. Next on the agenda for Canada's Defense Ministry will be meeting with manufacturers before making construction, delivery, and operational capabilities requests of potential bidders. Those potential bidders could possibly include US-based contractors like General Dynamics Electric Boat and Newport News Shipbuilding. Whichever company or companies wins the contract will need to meet requirements including stealth, lethality, and Arctic deployability so that Canada can detect, track, deter, and, if necessary, defeat adversaries. Canada cited global warming as one of the key reasons for beefing up its naval defense. The country said its Arctic is now warming at 4 times the global average and making a, quote, vast and sensitive region more accessible to foreign actors who have growing capabilities and regional military ambitions. By the year 2050, Canada believes the Arctic Ocean could become the most efficient shipping route between Europe and East Asia. Bill Blair, Canada's Minister of National Defense, said competitors are seeking access, transportation routes, natural resources, critical minerals, and energy sources. They are exploring Arctic waters and the seafloor, probing the country's infrastructure and collecting intelligence. Specifically, he said Russian submarines are more widely probing across the Atlantic, Arctic, and Pacific Oceans, while China is rapidly expanding its underwater fleet. According to the Arctic Institute, as the amount of ice blocking the Arctic is diminishing and opening up new, faster shipping routes, the traditionally cooperative region is becoming increasingly competitive, which could eventually lead to elevated geopolitical tensions. If the Arctic continues to emerge as a more efficient shipping lane, efforts like Canada's submarine fleet expansion will be crucial in helping to avoid supply chain disruptions. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.